What's going on, guys? Gonna do a little review, kind of a tool review, opening box, whatever. This is the Deluxe toolkit, 88-piece set with durable storage case, and yada yada. This is by Weaver. It's a nice little retail box that it comes in. Limited lifetime warranty. It's kind of neat, kind of tells you what everything is and the bit size and all that stuff. So cool. Now, it is that blow molded plastic, whatever. And you have these chintzy little plastic tabs that after you use them a while they come off, but that's alright. So I was wanting a dedicated toolkit for all the guns and all that stuff, for mounting scopes and for, you know, taking apart, cleaning and fixing and that kind of thing.
So Dad said that I need to ask Bryce about the first day when I got there, the balcony, the view of the balcony and where you take off the shirt. Apparently there were girls in bikinis playing.
Awesome. So, nice little bit driver. Obviously you'll just put whatever you want, stick it in there, and it is magnetic, so it kind of holds it on there. Cool. It seems pretty comfortable. It's fills up the palm well pretty good. Looks like you got a little dowel rod and then a brass piece on the end. I wonder if you can exchange it. Oh yeah. And once you beat the heck out of this for using it on steel, you can put another one in there. That seems like it's aluminum. And yep, same thing with this. Replace that. The handle is really really chintzy, but hey, we ain't building no house with it. Yeah, that's not even sanded. I guess that's extension. So you have all your different punches, different size punches. And those are retained in there pretty well. That is a center punch. I guess if you have to drill a hole, if you're making your own, you know, drill and tap a hole or something. It's got a brass punch. Golly, those are tough. Nice little brass punch. As well as these longer reach Phillips bit, as well as the flat nose bit. What's cool is it also comes with a bench block, so whenever you're driving a roll pin through or something, or a pin out, like if you're dismantling a Glock or something, that pin can fall straight through there. Kind of cool. Now, so you have your different size bits here. These are Torx bit. These look like they're Allen from here to here. And this is going to be your Phillips. This one here is going to be, I've seen a lot of those on your front sights to adjust windage. Have these. See how big that is. But, and then you have all your different flathead bits. You see some are pretty thick. Some are pretty skinny. But here's the difference between your regular flathead screwdriver bit compared to, say, one of these. I'm going to try to portray this as best as I can. So whenever you go to put your screwdriver in there, the way that is, it may not fit all the way down and fit to the bottom of where that needs to be. Again, because that's just a wedge. Now on these, this is known as a hollow point ground, and you can see it goes in and thins out really small. So that way you get the most amount of bite. You get the most amount of bite on that screw for two things. One, to keep you from scratching it, and then two, from slipping off and scratching your gun. And then obviously you'll just find whatever bit works out best for you. Obviously you want to go with the biggest bit that you can without going too big. But now that I have this toolkit, this will stay in with all the rest of the gun. So what this is for is so you can use your 1/4 inch drive. Either if you have a 1/4 inch drive, if you have a 1/4 inch drive bit driver, where it's just a 1/4 inch drive on the end, you can put that on there, and then that adapts to use any one of these down here. So that's kind of neat. So you can use your 1/4 inch ratchet if you want. That doesn't fit in here very well at all. Neither does that one. But everything else seems to fit in here pretty well. I guess since this is on the bottom, this doesn't really matter too much. But these punches have some nice knurling on it, so your hands won't slip when you're trying to punch out a retaining pin or whatever. So this is a pretty nice kit. You have pretty much a little bit of everything that you need. Probably the only other thing I wish it had in there was some type of pliers or something. Needle nose and maybe, I don't know, maybe snap ring pliers or something like that. But anyways, all in all, pretty complete little kit. Seems pretty well built, other than the case itself with the little plastic hinges and all that. But all in all, pretty good. Alright, you guys comment, rate, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.